I came into this workshop understanding the StoryBrand framework already, but there's nothing quite like getting live in-room feedback on what you've written. You just can't beat it. So even if you think yourself a StoryBrand expert, you need to be in the room to get the most value.
Well, one great thing about this is hands-on. And we get to go eyeball to eyeball with the professionals who are teaching us how to do the best possible job we can for our marketing and for our customers. It's amazing.
It's definitely good value for money. You will not be disappointed. You'll have a great starting point to get you on the right track.
I didn't expect to really grasp it. I don't know if this makes sense, but I thought I'll go away with sort of an overview of things. I did not expect that I'll actually have the time to finish things off so that I can walk away 2 days and I actually have a workable product, which, you know, time and money is awesome.
Oh, look, I'm full to the brim, and I've got this action plan that I'm going to now sort of work through with my team, and in the next 90 days, we're going to be punching out a lot of content.
It gave me clarity and the confidence to be able to go with strong messaging. Just do it. It's the first step in being able to take your business seriously.